I'm Lamia, Partner Sales Executive at Royal Cyber. As a trusted Salesforce Summit partner, we help companies elevate customer service with AI-powered agents that are always on, always accurate, and built to scale. Today, I'm very excited to share with you how we helped Rock West Composites, a leading provider of advanced composite material, transform their service operations using Salesforce AgentForce. Prior to deploying AgentForce, Rock West Composites faced a set of critical challenges. They were overwhelmed by repetitive order-related inquiries like order status, shipment updates, and cancellations. Their systems were siloed, which prevented real-time visibility into order data. Plus, without an after-hours support, urgent issues often went unsolved. With Salesforce AgentForce, we embedded a 24/7 AI support into RockWest storefront, integrated real-time OMS data to automate order-related inquiries, and we helped reduce support workload by up to 30% while improving data accuracy and speeding up resolution. In this demo today, I'll walk you through 3 real-world use cases we brought to life for Rock West Composites, which are order status verification, order cancellation, and address update. So to see this in action, let's dive into our first use case, which is order status verification. So we have developed an AI-powered agent that delivers real-time order status updates to customers without the need for, support or a representative, empowering customers with instant answers and a frictionless experience. So let's see this live. This is how the front end of RockWest website looks like. And so we can see here, this is the chatbot where you can ask your questions. So let's start first by asking, the agent the status of our order, which is, I need my order status. Yes, so this is because I'm not logged in, so he couldn't find any orders attributed to my account because I'm like signing in right now as a guest. But when you input your details, it gives you directly the list of the orders that are assigned to you or your previous orders in cart. So here in this case, I have to provide the order number so that they can know what I'm talking about. So let's share order number. So here it said to help you with the order, I'll need to verify some details like full name, email, and complete address. So I'll provide him with those details. Here we go. So here are the details of the orders. So this order, for instance, contains 3 products or item lines. But as you can see, here are the order items with the details of the quantity, whether they're ordered or canceled, things like that. So in this case, we have all the details of the order and we know this is the exact order that we're looking for. Now let's check the status of this order. So let me ask the agent, shipping, I need shipping details for this order. Let's see. So the order number is currently in approved status. So it's not yet shipped or, it wasn't sent outside the hub. So for this case, it's still in the hub. It doesn't have a query number or anything when it comes to details. But if it was shipped, it usually will provide you with the shipping details, shipping number or tracking number, and the query name. So these are, the kind of details that the chatbot can support you with when it comes to the use case for order status verification. Now, let's say I want to cancel my order, which is, our second use case, order cancellation. So if a customer wants to cancel an order, the agent checks the order status, confirms eligibility, and processes the cancellation, all within seconds, which is very helpful, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience for, your customers. So let me ask for cancellation for this specific order. So I want to cancel this order. So it asks, are you sure you want to cancel the entire order? So for Rock West, for instance, in their business model, they allow both partial as well as, total or entire order cancellation. So in this case, let's see if the chatbot can help me actually just cancel one item of the order. So here we have the items. I just want to cancel, let's say this one. I'll copy and say, I want to cancel this item. Could you please provide a reason for canceling this item? I would say, for instance, delivery delay. So it can be multiple reasons. The agency is just checking, so that he can track the records and share it with the CSR agent so that they can know, the history of why this order was canceled and whether it's eligible for cancellation or not. Just to confirm, would you like to proceed with canceling this item? Yes, because of this reason. Yes, I confirm. So let's see here. Your request to cancel the item available up to the due to delay has been submitted for review. And so in this case, Rockwest doesn't want the chatbot to actually take actions and cancel it. But in the backend, in case you're wondering what is happening in the backend, so the CSR will receive a notification where it says, so it addresses, to this CSR that customer has requested to cancel this specific item. And the CSR can, choose whether to contact the customer directly, call them and check, or whether to take action and cancel it, or to write a comment. If it's not like a valid reason, they can, for example, refuse or reject the cancellation request. So yeah, this is how the back end kind of looks like. And now, finally, we're going to move to the third use case, which is address update. So imagine, for example, you're traveling or you're relocating and you need to change your address. This chatbot actually allows you to change your address very seamlessly and quickly. So users can update their shipping or billing address when relocating or traveling, for instance, as I said. So the agent ensures that, updates on open orders are processed securely, maintaining, data integrity all the way throughout. So let's ask the agent, I need to change shipping address. So this is a response. Sure, I can help you. Could you please provide the new shipping address? So let's say this is my new shipping address. Can you please confirm if you would like to proceed with updating the shipping address for your order? Yes. So he's making sure all the time that I'm like confirming for every single step so that, everything is cleared up. Your request to update the shipping address to this shipping address has been sent to our support team. So again, if you want to see how that looks like from the back end, so again, the CSR agent will receive a notification saying that a customer has requested to update their shipping address, and the CSR should action it, whether they can change it in the system, they can add a comment or something like that. So this is how the backend again looks like from the CSR perspective. What you just saw are just few examples of what Salesforce AgentForce can do. And these use cases were tailored specifically for RockWest's unique service model, but the real strength of AgentForce lies in its flexibility, whether it's, returns management, product recommendations, claims processing, appointment scheduling. We build AI agents that align with your specific business goals. And so with Royal Cyber's quick launch package, you can get started in just 4 to 6 weeks with 2 use cases implemented at no cost and no long-term commitment. We also offer pre-built industry-specific AgentForce demos for manufacturing, retail, healthcare, insurance, travel, and more. So you can see, firsthand how AgentForce is transforming service across industries. So your journey to smarter, faster service starts here. Partner with Royal Cyber and let's co-create your first AgentForce-powered AI experience.